Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
HMB is a leucine metabolite used to limit muscle breakdown and support recovery. Typical effective dosing is 3 grams per day. You'll see best results when you combine HMB with resistance training 2 to 3 times per week and eat adequate protein, about 20-30 grams per meal. HMB comes as calcium HMB powder or free acid capsules. A practical start is 5 grams twice daily with breakfast and dinner. Track strength, recovery, and body composition over weeks to judge benefit. For consistent results, take HMB as 5 grams twice daily with meals, typically breakfast and dinner, rather than large single doses. Combine each HMB dose with about 20-30 grams of high-quality protein and a moderate amount of carbohydrates to support muscle protein synthesis and glycogen recovery. There is no clinically required loading phase. Steady daily use is adequate. Expect to use HMB consistently for at least 8 to 12 weeks, while following a progressive resistance program to evaluate meaningful strength and lean mass changes. HMB is generally well tolerated in healthy adults at doses up to 3 grams per day, but you should consult a clinician before starting if you have severe kidney disease, liver disease, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Drug interactions are uncommon, but check with a healthcare provider if you take statins or multiple prescriptions. Mild gastrointestinal upset can occur. Discontinue if you experience persistent nausea, abdominal pain, or allergic signs. Monitor strength, body composition, and basic labs if you are older or medically complex to ensure safe use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.